What's going on, everybody? For today's John's Junk, we're going to do an Eat Like a Man. And for today's Eat Like a Man, we're going to do a... Come here. We're going to do a salad. Shh. Just keep it between you and me, alright? Just shh. I'm going to walk you through how to do an Eat Like a Man salad. First things first, you are going to need a plate. Pick the biggest plate you got. Mine are right around 12 inches. Second thing you're going to need, 2 great big handfuls of chopped up fresh baby spinach. Now you can use any fresh green leafy vegetable. I like spinach, I like kale. You can use collard, you can use mustard greens, you can whatever you'd like to use. Just don't use iceberg. Iceberg lettuce is the I guess you could say it's the light beer of fresh green vegetables. It's pretty much pointless to eat it. Might as well just eat some ice or something. I mean, yeah, pointless. Don't bother with iceberg. Plus it turns me into a salad shooter. Next thing you're going to need, onion. Chopped up. I cut about a 3/8 inch thick slice and dice it up. Kind of bigger chunks. About like you see there. Next thing you're going to need, cucumbers. Cut them in slices, cut those slices in quarters, throw them on there. That's about a third of a nice large cucumber. Next thing you're going to need, maters. Chop up maters, slice them up, chop them up, dice them up, however you like your maters. Chop them up, throw them on there. Next thing you're going to need, you need some avocado. That's a whole avocado. If you need me to teach you how to cut up an avocado, peel it, you're in the wrong place, man. Just saying. I'm just saying. Next thing we're going to need for our Eat Like a Man salad, you need carrots. I like carrots. I get the peeled baby carrots when they're on sale. They're easy, inexpensive. You can chop them up, slice them up, get them as big or small as you like. I'm fine with the peeled baby carrots straight out of the package. Next, what you're going to need, about 8 ounces of grilled ribeye. What? It's an Eat Like a Man salad. How were you not expecting this? There you go, 8 ounces ribeye, and if you notice, cooked to medium. A little on the rare side. Next thing we're going to need, 2 slices whiskey apple smoked bacon. Heck yeah. How much better can it get? Check it out. We're going to top this off. Some ranch dressing, store brand. Don't need too much. Everything in here is awesome. To get the dressing on, I'm going to put a nice, generous helping of grated, air quotes, Mexican blend cheese. And then on top of that, for a laugh, picked up some of this stuff. Gorgonzola cheese. I accidentally got the reduced fat. Never tried this stuff before. Oh wow. Try a piece. I'm not going to use very much. That is really flavorful, aromatic, and funky. Just going to put some of that on there. That right there is how you do an Eat Like a Man salad. I'm going to take that, I'm going to nosh on that for a while, then I'm going to pass out from a food coma. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good one. Gotta love my fingers. Bug crawling up my leg. I'm going to walk you through. There's a bug in my hair.